In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a DocuSign document after it's been sent out, but before it has been completed by all signees. It's important to know that these changes are only possible if the document envelope is still in progress, meaning some of the recipients have yet to sign. Let's delve into the step-by-step process to make necessary modifications. First, you'll want to head over to DocuSign and log into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Manage tab. This is your central hub for keeping track of your documents, and it's where you'll find all your sent envelopes. Next, navigate to the Sent folder. Here, you'll see a list of all the envelopes that you've sent out. Browse through this list to locate the specific envelope you wish to edit. Envelopes are generally sorted by the date they were sent, but you can use the search bar at the top if you're having trouble finding the right one. Once you've found your envelope, look to the right-hand side for a drop-down menu labeled with an action. Click on this drop-down and you'll see an option that says Correct. Selecting this option will allow you to dive into editing the envelope in various ways. At this point, you have several elements you can update. If you need to adjust the recipients, perhaps adding someone new, removing someone who shouldn't have been included, or simply updating contact information, you can easily do that here. Additionally, if the documents part of the envelope need modifications, such as swapping out an entirely new document, you can do so as long as the documents haven't been signed by anyone yet. Furthermore, you can modify the signing fields or tags within the document or tweak the email subject and body to ensure clarity and accuracy for your recipients. Once you've made the necessary changes to your envelope, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial, as you want to ensure all edits are correctly applied. After saving, you should send or resend the envelope to your recipients to keep the document process moving forward. Lastly, consider whether it's appropriate to notify your recipients about the changes. This depends on the significance of the edits. If the adjustments might impact their understanding or actions regarding the document, a courtesy note explaining the amendments could be very helpful. By following these instructions, you maintain control over your DocuSign envelopes, ensuring accurate and efficient document workflows. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments section if you need further clarification. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.